Okay, hello everyone. Today I'm talking about how to use App GarageBand to make music on iPhone, iPad, and the MacBook. And first, let's talk about how to use App GarageBand on iPhone. Now you can see the screen showing the GarageBand app. You don't have to know how to play any instrument or know any theory of music. All you need to do is to press the chord. So you have to think about which song you like first, and then go to the Google and get the song's sheet music with all the chords. And now you see the screen is recording all the chord I pressed. And then when I finish the recording of the piano chords, then I just back to the music bar, and then I used to record the second instrument. It would be guitar, and I choose the autoplay to record the music. Okay, and now the guitar part is finished, and then back to the editing, and let's play them together with piano and the guitar. Besides that, we need the rhythm. So at the third part, I used to add the drum. Choose some beats, and there are many kinds of beats you can choose, so you just try it. And what else? Record our voice, right? So I press the red button to record my voice. And at this time, you can sing any melody you want to follow the basic music, and then back to the editing part. Easy, right? It's so easy. And then we finish the basic recording. There is a place we call the loop, Apple loop. You can choose any rhythm, any music loop you like to add to the music you make. And if you find the one you like, you just touch now I try different instrument to find the one as much suitable for my music. This one is not okay, so let's delete it and try the new one. Maybe we have to choose back to guitar. Yeah, that's more suitable for my music. Okay, let's try this one. Yeah, it's better. And then I'll show you some controlling part. You can adjust the sound and also the pitch, also the effect with different tracks. And then here is the speed of the song and your C major. Now I'm going to output the music. So back to the starting part yet, and we save the file. And I save the files on iCloud, and then you can rename it. Let's type demo. The same. You press the file and you share it. There are 3 options for you. Become a song, become the a cell phone music, or you just save the project. And then when you save it as music, and you can share it to anywhere you want. The first time I share it to my MacBook. Okay, let's share it again. To my iCloud, the same one, and to my cloud, Google Cloud. Okay, that's it. So when you get online to your Google Cloud, and you can see the MP3 files and you can play it. And that's the way we made music with App GarageBand. Thank you.